Hey guys, welcome back to
Aqua Friends.
And today we are going to be making a video on
Noodle soup, veg noodle soup.
So guys, as for the ingredients, we are doing veg, but if you want, you can add chicken and other stuff you want. We will tell when you can.
Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss our latest videos, and comment down below if this video was helpful or you have any doubts. And please go to the I button, which is suggestions button right there.
Right up there. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, the first step is to take your noodles out, put it in a vessel full of water.
Boiled water?
No, in a vessel filled with cold water, and then keep it on the gas and let it boil for some time. So guys, once you've noticed that it's been boiled, so guys, my noodles is being soft. You can just take one or two out, and if it's hard and if it's very hard to
break,
like this noodle, it makes a weird sound when you break. If it's not like that, and if it's soft and easily breaking, then your noodles is
ready.
Then just
off the gas,
turn off the flame and let it cool for some time. And the next step you're supposed to do is, after you've let it cool for one or 1.5 minutes, what you're supposed to do is drain it with cold water. So guys, here are vegetables.
So all you have to do is put your vegetables in a utensil, add oil and then fry it.
And also add alfalfa. So guys, you can add alfalfa if you want, but just add very little bit or smoke will start coming out. And guys, you can add any noodles, but here we have added organic ragi noodles. As you guys saw in our other video, how to make other noodles, Szechuan noodles, how to make Szechuan noodles. And that also we made only with organic ragi noodles. We are just using the left noodles in this recipe.
And fry your vegetables really nicely. If you add anything white, if it turns golden brown, means your vegetables are ready.
So guys, once your vegetables are ready, you need to add
you have to fry your veggies in low flame.
Yes, and once you have once your vegetables have been fried nicely,
you have to turn off the gas and then wait for it to cool down.
So guys, once that's been done, you need to add your masala, which you get
with your noodles packet.
So just add that in the gas. So guys, before you add in the masala, I just want to tell you guys, you need to add water according to how many people are eating your soup. We have added your water.
We are adding this much water because
it's actually 2 glass water, I think. So after you've added in your water and got your soupy mixture, you need to add your noodles. After you've added in your noodles, you need to add your masala. You can add masala or anything else that you want to substitute it with. But we mostly prefer masala. And guys, no need to worry because it comes with all the noodles packet that is. Except for Chinese, I guess I've talked about Chinese noodles, guys. So guys, once you've added your noodles, your masala, we are using 1 packet of masala. You can increase and decrease as per your taste. After adding that, you just need to add hot sauce. And guys, Sorry, guys. We have not only added hot sauce, but we've also added chili with our vegetables. If you want, you can add that. If you want it to decrease the spice you want, you can add anything, how much ever you want. So, guys, now after you've got a very runny mixture, you're supposed to add 1 spoon of salt. You can increase and decrease as per your taste. And if you want it more spicy, you can add paprika or chili powder. Guys, if you're adding paprika, you only need to add half teaspoon and you can increase and decrease as per your taste. So guys, this is our noodle soup.
It's very delicious, very spicy.
Kind of, yeah, very spicy and very delicious. So guys, before you serve it, just take your spoon and separate the noodles. Or else when you pour it in someone's cup or in your own cup, first all the liquid will come out, the soup will come out, then only the noodle will come. So guys, what you're supposed to do is simply separate the noodle with your spoon like this. This is very easy, and once that's completed, the noodles, veg noodle soup is ready to be served. And as I told you guys, I will tell you when to add the chicken and stuff. You guys can add it with the vegetable. So guys, I really do hope you like this video.
And bye guys.
And also please like, share and subscribe.
And smash the bell button so that you don't miss our latest videos. And comment down below if this was helpful or if you didn't understand a step.
Bye guys.